Hey guys, this is Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat is an IO. Right now I'm standing on the swim platform. As you can see, it's not obstructed by anything. You can walk along here. You got a nice sun pad back here as well. Now this sun pad does tilt up, which is a nice feature of this boat. So you can actually sit facing back if you're anchored up somewhere, or even if you're just sitting at your dock hanging out. Now, as I walk through the transom here, you do have some storage, and this is where also your battery is and your battery switch. So it also has a door here too, a little safety and a little for the kids. Now as I walk up in here in the cockpit, got another storage under here. You have storage under your seats. This one can double as a cooler. You also have a removable cooler under that seat. Now this boat is also equipped with a 250 MerCruiser engine. Now here's the 250 4.5 MerCruiser that I was talking about. As you can see here too on the starboard side, you got some room for storage. You can throw fenders there, any pull toys, something like that. Now here in the cockpit, you do have a lot of seating for this size boat. And you do get a nice shade here in the bimini top. And this will fold out, extend up here. Now here at the helm, you got an adjustable steering wheel, and you got your gauges right here, as well as your switching, and then your Fusion stereo. This one actually has a subwoofer in it as well. Now your helm seat is adjustable, it moves forward and back. And you also have this thigh rise bolster. All right, on the port side here, you do have a convertible seating as well. So you can sit facing forward while you're running. And when you're anchored up, you can face back and lounge and join the conversation. As well, you have some more dry storage under here. Put some life jackets, towels, stuff like that. On the port side, we also have a lockable glove box, which is nice. You can lock your wallets in there and stuff. And then you have sizable storage underneath this port side console. Now walking up to the bow here, we have our window. This will block some of the wind on those colder days. You also have some seating up here as well. You can lounge out. I'm pretty tall and I can sit here really comfortably underway. There's some grab handles for safety. Under here as well, we do have storage. All right, here we are outside of the boat. You see we got this nice red hull color. You got nice graphics on it as well. Again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. And this is our 2020 210 SPX Sea Ray. And if you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.